Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use OmeTV app on iPhone, and I will give you today a quick guide how you can use OmeTV. Alright, first of all, go to the App Store and download it. So right here in the bottom I have OmeTV on my iPhone, and then from here we click on the app, log in with your Apple account or your Facebook account or whatever you want. And then from now it starts. Now we can upload photos, we can edit personal details if you want to. So check what you want to change. And right now all things comes together in the middle at the TV right here. So right now, first of all, we need to give OmeTV permission for a camera and microphone. So right now we click here on microphone, we go to settings and then click here on microphone, and we can also click immediately on camera. So we turn on both. So right now if we go back to the OmeTV app and click on the TV, we have ourselves just right here, and you can now choose your country. So if you click here on country, select the country where you are from or the country that you want to find. And right now, if you click here on I am, you can check here if you want to be a girl or a man. And if you want to find people right now, then the next thing that you need to do is swipe from left to the right. And now you can accept someone or reject what you want. And now if I click here on accept, let's see. No, let's accept. You can find people. So this is exactly how the app works. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day and ciao.